How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can reset your Shark robot vacuum without an application. Now, this is Guide to Everything. Let's get started. There's multiple ways to do this, and the first one is using the hard reset or power cycling. Now, the physical power switch. You want to locate the power switch on the side or bottom of the robot. You want to turn it off for around 30 seconds to a minute and turn it back on. This way, it will basically drain all the power from the robot, enabling us to reset the device this way. For the second method, the battery removal. For stubborn errors, you want to remove the battery for a few minutes to force a power or a full power cycle, which will basically do the same thing if you have some more stubborn errors. For the second step, it's going to be the button combination reset. It's going to be the dock plus clean button. You want to press and hold both the dock and clean buttons for around 10 to 12 seconds until the light blinks. Now, for the second option, we have the power button. On some models, holding the power button for around 10 to 20 seconds can initiate a reset, which will do the same thing that will indicate a reset light. And lastly, for some troubleshooting some specific issues, for the clean errors, if the robot has an error light, you want to try pressing the clean button twice to clear it. And lastly, for the brush roll issues, if the brush roll is not working, you want to check for debris or press the physical reset button near the brush roll pad if applicable. And hopefully by applying these methods, you will be able to reset your Shark robot vacuum without an application successfully. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.